time to analyze the paper and check, estimate where could you have reached, what was the paper like. As you can see, the paper was very heavy in arithmetic and algebra. So no matter what, we find that almost all exams are heavy on arithmetic, and CAT uh, contains a large amount of algebra as well. When we check at the estimated percentiles, then for the cutoff percentile, you needed to get around 22 marks. That was 7 to 8 correct questions, 3 per question. 95 percentile was 11 correct questions, and top level scoring 99 percentile was 15 correct questions out of 26, right? So um, let us check without much difficulty which were the fairly easy or just slightly more than easy questions that you could have done. So, going in order, question number one was certainly very, very doable, and it had just a little bit of PNC, but it was very, very manageable. Two was tough. Three was a basic question which also contained AP, but it was so slightly more than easy, a decent question, but doable. Fourth was definitely doable using proportionality. If you could not use proportionality, then by basic TSD rules also you could have solved it. Fifth was basic properties of logs, nothing fancy at all over here. Sixth, I can understand that AMGM and trigonometry, I'm sorry, not trigonometry, AMGM might have made it a little difficult. Seventh was a very basic TSD question. Eighth was very basic averages and special equations question. Ninth was tough related to indices. 10th was tough related to averages, but 11th was manageable. Two equations, two variables. 12th maxima minima was challenging. 13th basic TSD could have been done. Please ignore the noise for just a little bit. 14th based on indices was definitely challenging, and a lot of people did mess up over here. Tough question on graphs, because the not only had you to plot the graphs but also mark the regions with respect to the inequalities. 16th was complex because it was frustum and similar triangles and volumes. 17th geometry, this was a tough question. You had to draw the figure also and then do the calculations, but 18th was very, very manageable based upon proportionality. 19th was doable. 20 had some fancy properties of logs, so a little moderate level. 21 was a lot of calculations and very long. 22 was very tough. 22 was very easy. 23 was doable. Oh, um, what? Yeah, there's a lot of comprehension that was going on in this question. So this was a challenging question. 24th was basic bottoms up. 25th was basic equation formation inside ratios. And 26 also, I think it could have been done uh, if you had assumed x plus 1 upon x equal to a. If we put all this together, I have put down the list of all the doable questions. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 questions, and I'll also add question number 26 here. This is a total list of 14 questions that were very, very doable. 14 questions that were very, very doable. And so a 99 percentile was possible if you were able to select your questions carefully and handle the pressure, but this was only possible if you had gone through a thorough, consistent preparation, right? So 99
Alert
which
from calendar my plan. Rohan Sharma virtual mock interview 1.
so 99 percentile, which seems to be unimaginable, was actually uh, in retrospect very doable. I won't say very easy to get, but yes, it was doable, it was manageable. So that is the analysis for the paper. And until next time, thank you.